And today we are having a look at the SmartKITS Australia reviews website. And it's Scott from SmartKITS Australia here. And this is a great resource to be able to access some independent reviews from customers that have submitted them about their experience with SmartKITS Australia. And the website is smartkits-reviews.com.au, or if you Google search SmartKITS product reviews, then you'll find the website as well. And you can see here you can submit a review at the top of the page. And at the moment there are 16 customer reviews here where customers who have interacted with us have had the opportunity to submit a review and have it posted here on this page. Of course, you can select them by most recent, by location, and try and filter them down to reviews that might be a little more appropriate for the type of product that you're looking to purchase from SmartKITS or to research with regards to us. And you can see one here from Karen F. She's given SmartKITS Australia a 5 out of 5 review for her Skillion carport on her new home. And we've recently had a SmartKITS carport attached to our new home to cover our prized possession, our beautiful motorhome. It was remarkably easy to navigate with Todd steering us through the whole process. From ideas and design to construction, we were reassured that this company knew exactly what they were doing. They only use top products, BlueScope steel with a lifetime warranty. We just finished our new home build, and this simple Skillion carport has definitely added value to our home. Thank you, SmartKITS, for your professionalism and expertise. And that is just a little Skillion roof on the side of their brand new home. And obviously with a home like this, we don't want to build something that's going to deter from the style of the new construction and that complements the home, but also provides the adequate level of protection and shelter for their prized possession, which is this beautiful motorhome. And it's quite a high structure because obviously it had to clear height. But you can also see over here how the new roof has had to be notched in around certain check-ins in the house wall line. Modern homes often have a lot of step-ins in the build construction now, so being able to adequately get our new roof to attach and fit to the home is very, very important. This is a spandex Skillion flat roof carport. And that's a great review from Karen. There's plenty more to look at here. Patio Roof Toowoomba DIY Smart Kit from Aunt Mackenzie. Skillion High Gloss DIY Patio in Victoria. And that's a great little Skillion carport down the side of the house with some skylight panels in the roof as well. Metal roof sheeting. Simple beam and post construction with gutter at the projection or low end. And those skylights make a massive difference to the amount of light in there too. When our kits arrive on site, they come wrapped up, strapped and bundled, and also well packaged. This is the structural steel component and flashings of the kit we just looked at. And this is another great carport. This is one from Dylan in Queensland. This is a flyover corrugated spandex roof sheet flyover carport. You can see how the carport is sitting above the house roof line. And if we had have built this structure or supplied this structure to attach to the gutter or fascia line of the house, you can see how low it would have been. So this style of carport works very, very well with the home, complements the home, and also gives Dylan and his family plenty of room to get their cars underneath. So this is the SmartKITS Reviews website. And if you'd like to submit a review about SmartKITS Australia, you can go to smartkits-reviews.com.au at the top of the screen and submit your review. Thanks for watching, guys. It's been a pleasure as always, and we really appreciate the business and the feedback Whether it be good or bad or anything we can improve on, we are a company that is completely focused on your experience and how we can better ourselves and work with you to create the premier leading home improvement brand in Australia, especially when it comes to dealing predominantly or 100% with Australian-made COLORBOND steel. Hope you have a great day, and thank you for watching.